Well, I was gonna come out here and clean, but when you got a roommate that is doofus, no offense. Okay, he just sprayed around outside of the grill, but not inside the grill. Okay, good. That is good. Trying to make sure it's not. Oh, anyways, where is that at? We gotta clean the grill, so this is what we do. We have this right here. So we're gonna basically scrape the grill. Any type of debris that's food. Might try something different today on here. Got a couple pizzas, and I know you can grill pizza. And if I can get this hot enough, maybe I might grill one. Let's see how it goes. So I'll set this aside for a minute. Pull this out. So we got all this ash down here, right? So we wanted to just basically do this. Try to make it go through the holes. So we got a problem here. I can take care of that. I think if I just raise this up, I might be able to pull this out. Then we just grab this right here and pull it out, and we can empty it. So just give me 1 second, take care of it right now. Okay, so I got the tray emptied, so now I'm gonna clean the rest of this. I still have the ash in here. Okay, that's all clean. I'm just gonna rinse this off. with their hose over there. Not gonna rinse the grill, no, because that's going to mess things up if I want to use it later on. But I'm gonna re-empty the tray down here, and that's gonna be it. So, actually, I'm not gonna put those back because I need to keep that cleared so I can put that in there after. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably pour about 2 of those charcoals in there to make sure I got good enough heat for the pizza. It should be big enough to fit a pizza right on there. And guys, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button. And thank you all for watching. Bye guys.